Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize that compensation plan for your Jeunesse business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm saving a special bonus at the very end, so stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you in this video exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the top lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter and hit the leaderboard for sales. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people, and you can attract highly qualified and targeted prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. You want to find those who have the success that you want, who are in the niche that you are in. And you want to essentially do exactly what they did. And you're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to help you out. This tool is going to allow you to copy the keywords, and the internet running on search is going to help you rank better and get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate. You're going to click on the video and you're going to copy the tags to a Word document. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and you should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You want to create a description that's about 300 words in length, and you want to scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. You also want to end by creating a thumbnail on canva.com and saving that thumbnail as the primary keyword that you want to go after. Here's some final tips. Don't reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Don't copy verbatim, but you just want to copy the right cat. You want to essentially do what the people who have the success that you want to do what they did. You want to have 3 to 5 minute content and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find exactly where your target audience is hanging out. Remember, you're not marketing to everyone under the sun. You're looking for those people who are like-minded and in the network marketing niche. You want to start off with a genuine message. You want to take a look at the person's profile and say something along these lines. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I had noticed your comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought that we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? So you can start off with something like that. Again, you want to make 5 to 10 connections each day. You can also get more engagement by having curiosity posts, posting a quote, I love my blank, those kind of things get people commenting and interacting with your page. And the more they do that, the more likely it is that they'll see your next post. You want to go into popular fan pages like Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins fan page, and make those 5 to 10 connections each day. And you want to be social, and it's about making connections and giving value and being social and getting to know people. You don't want to go in there trying to pitch and close. You want to be posting curiosity versus resistance. So 90% personal, that's picture quotes, lifestyle images, those kind of things, and only 10% about your business. And when it's about your business, you're probably just posting some results of your team and that kind of thing. An example of a good curiosity post. This morning I had some great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people might say, hey, well, what's that green powder all about? And in that way, then that green powder might have something to do with your business, and then that way you're able to make that connection without being pushy with your sales. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. Again, I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.